Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURJPY, Euro Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Pound USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro JPY in front of us right now, Euro Japanese Yen. And as you can see that this market is in downtrend, there is no doubt about it. And as we know that the thumb rule of the market or the basic rule of the market which says follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as we can clearly see that this market is in downtrend, therefore we should mainly look for shorting opportunities. Then comes the next point, next important point, which is the area of value. Area of value means the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. In an uptrend market, the best position to buy is always near the support. And in a downtrend market, the best position to short the market is always near the resistance. Therefore, this market is in downtrend. Therefore, our best position to short the market will always be near the resistance. And as you can see, I have already drawn a trend line here. And as you can clearly see on the chart that this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance, because whenever market was trying to go up, it was facing resistance from above. Therefore, one thing is very much clear to us that this trend line is an important resistance for the market, and market is still respecting this trend line as a valid resistance. Therefore, I will request you to draw this trend line in your charting platform so that you can understand the market better, because this trend line is extremely important. And right now you can see that market is just standing at the trend line, or market is just standing at the resistance. But still, this is not the ideal position to short the market, because you can see that right now there is not much movement. Yes, the basic rule, the thumb rule of the market says short the market at the resistance. But here we need to understand the market also. We need to understand the market psychology as well. Because right now we can clearly see that there is not much movement. Though market is standing at resistance, but still market is not going down. Then comes the importance of this line. Apart from this trend line, which is the resistance for the market, we also have this trend line, which is the support for the market. Because you can see that whenever price is coming down, this trend line is providing support to the market. So you should also draw this trend line in your charting platform. And right now you can see that market is standing at a resistance, but still market is not in the mood of going down. Therefore, shorting the market is gone. Do not short the market. Okay, do not short the market, and do not think about also shorting the market. Because if you look at the chart carefully, or if you try to understand the market emotion here, then it seems that market is in the mood of going up here. Therefore, your first trading opportunity will be, okay, listen to me carefully. Your first trading opportunity will be, if market comes down and reaches this trend line, this red line, then observe the price and try to see how the price is reacting at the support. If you see that just like the previous times, market is respecting this support and market is about to bounce, then you can go for a buy. But listen to me carefully. As the trend line is still valid, therefore do not expect a huge profit on the market. Okay, huge profit, market may or may not be able to break this trend line. I'm just saying that you can just take a buy position, if possible take a very small position, because still we do not have the clarification whether the market has the strength to cross this trend line or not. Therefore, if market reverses from this support, initiate a small buy position. Because one more thing, that there is not much volatility going on the chart of EURJPY, because you can see that this is the Forex volatility calculator, and you can see that in the EURJPY chart there is hardly any movement. In the 15 minutes time frame you can expect a movement of 5 pips. In the 30 minutes again 5 pips. In the 1 hour you can only expect a movement of 10 pips. In the 4 hours you can only expect a movement of 10.6 pips. So you can clearly see that there is hardly any movement of EURJPY. And as we all know, if there is no movement in the market, you cannot make money. And this is the main reason why EURJPY is unable to cross this level, because it does not have the strength. There is no movement. And if we go to the Forex sentiment meter here, okay, you'll find everything on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. You can see that 51% retail traders have taken short position and 48% retail traders have taken short long position. So you can see that generally in other currencies either they have taken long position or short position, but here in the case of EURJPY, retail traders are also very much confused. 51% have taken short position and 48% have taken long position. Retail traders are also not sure. They are also in dilemma whether market will be going up or going down. So therefore we do not have a clear picture from any place else. And one more thing, I have recently launched a Pro Trader membership program. You can be a part of my membership, my analysis for just $15 per month. I'll be sharing exclusive videos over your WhatsApp number about the best trading opportunities that are available on the Forex market. And if you want to know the other benefits, then you just go through this and you know what to do. Okay. Anyways, let's jump to the EURJPY chart again. So see, again, market has formed a new candle. Okay. But market does not have the strength. So in case market goes down from here and takes support, you can buy here, or you can also go for a buy only when market forms a big green candle here. If market forms a big green candle, then you get the confirmation that at last buyers are back to the game again. Then you can go for a buy order. Okay, after the closing of the candle. Okay, after the closing of the candle, not before that. But right now market does not have the volatility, market does not have the movement. So therefore, wait for the market to either give you a good green candle above this trend line, or wait for the market to come down to this support line and reverse. That's it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.